In this video, we are going to study about the Lewis-Strauss structure of carbon dioxide, its resonating structures, and we will find out formal charges on the carbon dioxide molecule. First of all, for writing Lewis-Strauss structure, we have to write the symbol of the atoms of the carbon dioxide molecule. But before that, we have to find out the electron negativity of the elements. You can see carbon is placed before the oxygen in the period. The electron negativity of carbon is less than the oxygen. We will write carbon at the center because electron negativity of carbon is less than the oxygen. Now find out the valence electrons of each atom in this molecule. Valence electron of carbon is 4, 2 oxygen, so valence electron will be 2 into 6 and that is equal to 12. 12 plus 4 equal to 16, means in this molecule we have total 16 valence electrons. Now we will attach it with a single bond. Electron which makes bonds are called bond pair electrons. In one bond, 2 electrons are involved. In making 2 single bonds, 4 electrons are utilized. Now, valence electron equal to 16 minus bond pair electrons equal to 4 equal to 12 electrons are left. First of all, we have to complete the octet of corner atoms. So, in each oxygen, 2 electrons are already there because they have made the bond. Now, we have to complete the octet. Place 6 more electrons around the oxygen in pairs. Now, out of 12, we have 12 minus 6 equal to 6 electrons left. Now complete the octet of other oxygen in the same way. Octet of both the oxygen is now completed. Now check the octet of central atom carbon. Its octet is incomplete. Place the lone pair electrons from each oxygen at the center. Now the structure will be like this. And make a bond. So we have seen there are 2 lone pairs on each oxygen and carbon is attached with double bond with both the oxygen. Octet of carbon is completed, octet of oxygen is also completed. But is it compulsory that both the oxygen will share their lone pair? We can move 2 lone pair from one oxygen to. Now we have 3 possible Lewis-Strauss structure: O double bond C double bond O, O triple bond C single bond O, O single bond C triple bond O. All the 3 are correct. So all the 3 are resonating structure of carbon dioxide. If you like my video, please press the like button. This kind of structure occurs due to delocalization of electrons inside the molecule. The triple bond oxygen is carrying +1 charge and single bond oxygen is carrying -1 charge, while double bond oxygen and carbon is not having any charge. How we can find out these charges? The overall charge on a molecule is called formal charge. I am going to find out the formal charge of second structure. For other structure you can do yourself. Now formal charge formula is formal charge equal to valence electron minus non-bonding valence electrons. Minus bonding electrons means the electrons which are utilized in making bonds, divide by 2. I am talking about the second structure. Carbon, total valence electron is 4. Non-bonding valence electron is 0. You cannot see any dots over the carbon now. Every electron is utilized in bond formation. So there is no non-bonding valence electrons. And bonding electrons are 8. 4 minus 0 minus 8 upon 2 equal to 0. So there is no charge on the carbon atom. Now see the oxygen which is attached with the triple bond. Oxygen valence electron is 6. Non-bonding electron is only 2. You can see a lone pair. Minus 6 upon 2 because bonding electrons are 6. 6 minus 2 minus 6 upon 2 equal to +1. Means triple bond oxygen will have +1 charge. Formal charge of single bonded oxygen atom is valence electron equal to 6. Non-bonding electrons are 6 and bonding electrons are only 2. So 6 minus 6 minus 2 upon 2 and that would be equal to -1. So on that oxygen which is attached with single bond only having -1 charge. Now the question arises, which structure is correct? Actually all 3 structures are correct. We had studied earlier that molecule with no charge shows more stability And you know that atom or molecules wants to be in a stable condition. So in this case, oxygen double bonds, carbon double bond oxygen will be in most stable condition because it has zero charge on all the three atoms. In a group of molecule, contribution of uncharged molecule will be maximum, but other charged molecules will also be present, but in a very less quantity. In case of carbon dioxide structure, we prefer to write O double bond C double bond O because it is more stable. Please click on my channel icon given below on this video. Go in my playlist and watch the video chapter wise. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.